This video will walk you through driving your double. Your double can be driven using a second iPad, an iPhone, or any computer using the web browser Chrome. If you're using the Chrome browser, the keys on your keyboard will control your double. Here are the controls to keep in mind. The up or W key will move your double forward. The down or S key will move your double back. The left or A key will turn your double to the left. The right or D key will turn your double to the right. The R key raises the height of your double, and the F key lowers it. This can also be done using these buttons on your browser screen. The M key will mute your double when you need to have a private conversation. You can also mute your double directly from the screen of your browser. The bar next to the mute button indicates volume and allows your double to speak up or quiet down. The P key will park your double, which you can also do from your browser. The spacebar or look button allows you to look down, and the escape key or end button will end your call. If you're driving your double using an iPad or an iPhone, the navigation is fairly simple. Use the up arrow on the screen to move your double forward. Use the down arrow to move back. Use the right arrow to turn right, and the left arrow to turn left. These buttons here will raise and lower your double. And you can park your double using the park button here. The camera button allows you to look down. The end button in the upper left corner will end your call. Your double is intended for indoor use and works best on smooth, hard surfaces. We recommend that you avoid driving your double over thick, shaggy carpet, rough surfaces, or deep thresholds. Your double will often be able to recover itself from bumping into obstacles, but it's best to avoid obstacles whenever possible. Your double is very light and therefore is unlikely to damage anything it bumps into. The downward-facing camera is especially helpful when navigating through tight spaces. When you're approaching a doorway beside you, go slightly past where you can see the door and then turn directly towards it and move forward. This way you'll approach the door straight on rather than at an angle. If your double has to cross a cord or threshold, try to aim perpendicular to the crossing so that both wheels go over at the same time. Your double will be able to use ADA-compliant wheelchair ramps, and as a safety feature, it won't be able to deploy or retract its kickstands while on the ramp. Your double will be fastest and most stable when it's at its lowest height.